Good Monday morning, guys. I'm just testing the temperature. The car doesn't leak iced up, so all's good round here. Moving on. Yeah, I just went to the car for my travel mug and I take it all back. It's icy. Just skated all the way to the car. Ground frost. Anyway, windscreen's out. Windscreen's cleared, which is weird. Just ice on the floor. Moving on. Okay guys, that's the Monday working day. Restart. Okay guys. Oh god, what's he doing?
I don't know.
Because he's got a reflective jacket on, it means that he bounces off the car, doesn't it?
No.
Oh, isn't that how it works?
No.
Well, that's how he played it. Okay guys, we'll finish the discussion on whether we're allowed to, excuse me, run people over when they walk in front of your car without looking, because he never saw me, so he didn't know I was there. And we'll get back to what I was saying. Yeah, Monday working week starts now. Let's get on with it.
Yep.
Quick swap over before I make more verbal mistakes, because I seem to have lost the ability to speak. So I think I better go in and get more coffee. Moving on. Hi guys, working day is over with. That's Monday, and that was one fast day. It's mainly because I didn't finish anything. I've got 5 different things I've got to finish tomorrow. Well, it is what it is. Is it me, or is it darker than it was last week at this time?
It's not just you.
Yeah, it looks like rain clouds are coming. We've actually been forecast very warm weather around here this coming week. Car's saying it's 4 degrees, my watch is saying it's 8 degrees. So we'll take somewhere in between. There's no wind, so it don't feel bad at all, does it? Anyway, let's get off home Monday night. Moving on. Geek box. Get Geek box on opening. Put that to one side, and that's the card for Michelle. What's in it?
Okay.
Mario. Mini figurine collection.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got the green one. And if I knew what it was, I'd tell you.
I don't know what the name of it is either.
Tin. Pocket Pops.
Pop Tin Adventure Time. Jake, Finn and BMO. Leave them in the tin.
That's that. And I've got another notebook. The last time I took my notebook to work, it lasted about 5 minutes. And I used it all up. It's a Doctor Who one.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to leave that one here. I didn't know I took that many notes. Flash Garden.
Ming the Merciless.
And the t-shirt is upside down. Hell's Kitchen, New York.
That's cool.
Something I do like that one. I will wear that one. that, is it? That is my Geek box for this month. Or last month, when it
This month.
this month's. Okay guys, it's getting on now. So we're getting close to bedtime, and Michelle's just come out with something there. She said she was looking at heads. I'm completely intrigued.
Yeah, for displaying my Mickey ears on from Florida and Hong Kong.
How much are they?
They're about 30 quid for the glass ones. But you can get
Oh, the glass ones. Yeah, look at your ones. You can get what?
You can't get styrofoam ones for like 3 quid. But
Probably look horrible.
I think the glass ones look quite cool, and they're coloured, so you get pink, purpley ones and yellow ones and green ones.
30 quid each.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cheap for a head. Cheaper than a haircut.
So I was thinking they might look nice on the top of something.
Okay, we're both absolutely knackered and tired. It's 10 o'clock, so I'm going to call it on a vlog now. So that's the worst day, working day over with. I'll have to yawn now, you watch. Try not to. That's the worst working day over with. 4 days to go to the weekend. So with that, it's a good night from me.
And it's a good night from him.
Good night, see you in the morning.